Ready to ignite your designs with electrifying fire and manga-style stripes? First, open your preferred digital art software and create a new document. A square canvas works great, but choose dimensions that suit your project. Next, create a background gradient. We're going for a fiery vibe, so use a radial gradient tool to blend dark red at the bottom to a vibrant orange at the top. Now, add a new layer. Select a brush tool with a soft edge and use a lighter shade of orange or yellow to paint rough, flame-like shapes. Don't worry about perfection. Go to Filter, then Blur, and apply a Gaussian blur. Adjust the radius until the flames look soft and glowing. This creates a realistic fire effect. Time for the manga stripes. Create another new layer. Select a hard brush and draw thin, curved lines. Experiment with vibrant colors like blue, purple, and pink. Duplicate the stripe layer and offset it slightly. This adds depth and a dynamic feel to your design. You can also adjust the opacity for a subtle effect. Ensure the fire layer is positioned behind the manga stripe layer. This makes the stripes pop and gives the impression they're cutting through the fire. And there you have it, a striking design that fuses fiery visuals with electrifying manga stripes. Experiment with different colors, shapes and blur techniques to find your own unique style. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting graphic design tutorials. #graphic design, #visual effects.